Hello kids! We all have seen the famous TV show Tom and Jerry. We could see that how fast runner Jerry was. Mice are such fast runners. Do you want to make your own mice? Let's get started. We have to follow the simple steps 1 to 6 and create our own mice. You can also give it a name. We'll think that in the end. This step is already drawn. So let's create the other half to make it a full shape. You have to go symmetrical just around the shape to have a little cone in the end. Use the eraser if the shape drawn is wrong. Make sure your pencil is sharp. Correct. You have this shape with you. The next step is to have your ears of the mice. Make big round circles, one left and one right. Now if you could see this step, third, you don't have this line after this. So what you have to do is, you have to erase this part. Then if it's not equal, you can make it equal by again drawing it. Done. Now what we have to do is create the eyes of our mouse. Now once you have made the eyes, what you have to do is make the whiskers, the long hairs of the mouse. You can have it 3 on one side. 1 diagonal, straight, diagonal. Big whiskers. Diagonal, straight, diagonal. Now, remember how Jerry used to see the cheese, the delicious cheese. So have that shine in your mouse. Create a small circle within the bigger circle that you have drawn and shade the outer part. Do the same here. Right? What's missing? Nose. How will your mouse smell the cheese? So have a big circle at the tip of the mouse and erase this part. You can dark or outline your mouse with a heavy hand so that it gives you a good outline. You can make it as big as you want. Done. Now what's left? Let's color it. I'll take a brown color. Started by coloring the ears first. Make sure you color in one direction only. We want a smooth coloring, not a rough one. Follow my coloring. One direction only. I am not changing my direction. Make sure you color inside the outline that you have drawn. Be careful. One ear is done. Let's color the next ear. Two ears done. Now what's left? Right now nose. I'll take black for the nose. What's the trick here? To outline within the outline so that you know that you don't have to go outside that. Now color it. Look how smooth it turned, right? Outline the eyes with the black color, the inner circle too, and keep the other just as it is. Now darken the whiskers with the black color. The ears too. Now let's color the face. Make sure you do not come inside the eyes, so be very careful when you color near the eyes part. If you feel like there's some sort of messy part, you can again take the black color and make a crystal clear outline. to give it a good finish. Also, give an outline to the face of your mouse. Your mouse is ready. Did you decide the name yet? I did. Timmy. I'm going to name my mouse Timmy. So let's create your own Timmy or Jimmy or whatever you like. Thank you.